pickle, avocado pickle, my style. Of course, I blend north and south a little bit here and there, but it does come out pretty good. And everything that I make in this is eyeballing, so you can measure your own spices, you can measure your own taste, and you can go from there. So I have this raw mango and I'm gonna make after cooking. So let's get into it. Alright, let's get into it. So what I did is I cut the mangoes almost this size, and it has its seed thing. I removed the seed, but it does have that thickness, so it holds the mango pretty well. So I just took that one mango I showed you, and I cut them and I put them in put them outside in the sun for just 5 minutes. My ingredients are all eyeball because of the taste that I do and I have. So measurement wise, I'm gonna tell, and I'm gonna put that in the end with the ingredients list also once again. So first we will start with mango, and we will start with red chili powder. This is a 1/3 cup, that means 80 ml for that one mango I showed. So I'm gonna take one. Okay, 3. So definitely you need a good red chili powder that you can use it for, because it really brings a lot of flavor. This is rye and little soap, just one small spoon of soap, and methi seeds. Yes, I will give its names in the end for people who don't understand some of these ingredients, so then you can easily do. So there we go. This is almost 1/3 cup. Now I'm gonna add salt. So the measurement that you take, the cup that you use, always use that cup so that it's easy for you to measure. Here we go. 1, 2. And once these start coming together, after 3 days, you can always taste it, and you can add according to your taste again. So just 1/2 teaspoon of turmeric. I know a lot of people don't add turmeric, a lot of people add. I like to add, and I don't know, it gives a lot of flavor. And garlic. So here I'm using, I removed the skin, peeled it pretty well, and then dried them in the sun. I'm not using the big ones. Like if you see in my plate, there are a lot of big ones too. So I'm not using those. See, this is too big and I'm not using it. So there we go. That's good enough. Everything should be dry, guys. Remember that. For mango, everything should be dry. And because these are dry spices, make sure the fan is off. You don't have any wind coming in. And mix it. Back in the days when my mom and my in-laws, they used to make it. They used to make it in a big, huge quantities. So it was just not for the family, for the neighbors, for relations, and everybody. So they used to make it in huge quantity. And nowadays, with nuclear families and everybody can make the fresh ones and things like that, people are making on their own. So like I've made one mango, back maybe 6 years back, maybe more than 6 years back. Even I used to get it from India. My mom used to send, my in-laws used to send, my other relations. Whenever they used to make, they used to send packets for us and we used to eat. Then I realized, the package that they sent were very big, and it would be like, wow, I can't eat so much, and it would last like a year and all, and then we like, okay, the taste is gone, or it's not that left anymore, so we just threw it, or we just give it off to friends, and then that we waste. So what I've decided is I make only little. Maybe this one will come for me for 3 months, and that's good because the mango will remain sour, and it's gonna remain good, and the taste will remain good. So that's what I have started my tradition since past 6-7 years, and I do it. I still get sometimes, of course. Your family, they won't leave you until they give their taste to you. So here we go. I've added almost a cup of oil. If you see, I have not added more oil. What we will do is just put that in a glass jar. Dry the glass jar, no water at all, and we'll keep it for 3 days. After 3 days, we will see the oil will start floating on the top. Once the oil starts floating on the top, that means your pickle is done. So you guys, this is Indian style mango pickle, my way. And let me know if you guys make it in the comment how it's come. And after 3 days I'm going to show this once how it looks. So let's wait for 3 days and come back. So I have this raw mango that one of my friends, Jessica, she sent me from her farm. She sells these mangoes basically from jamiemangoes.com. So if you guys want to order from here, anybody US people, please do order from her. She's very good at packing. She immediately picks up the moment you get the order, and she ships it out to you. So this is the raw mango that I got from her. So here we go. After 3 days, the pickle is done and ready to be distributed and eaten. So that's the mango pickle, guys, I was talking about. It's I tasted, everything is perfect. The salt, the red chili powder and everything, and the garlic and the mango is still very crispy. So try it out. This is the season. You get raw mangoes across. Here you go, guys. The mango pickle. Oh my god, it's so nice, tasty. So I gave a bite to my husband too. He loved it. So I am going to give this to him for eating. The pickle is so crispy. I'm telling you, it's so strong and really good. So kotta avakai pachadi, guys, for you. Try it and let me know how you like it. I hope you enjoy my video, and please do like it and subscribe it. Thank you. Have a wonderful day.